Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Juvera Curler is probably one of the most underrated beauty tools in your makeup bag. It can instantly transform your look by adding lift and curl to your lashes, making your eyes appear bigger and more awake. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Juvera Curler, exploring its features, performance, and whether it's the perfect fit for your lash needs. Number 5. Revlon Face Roller, Oily Skin Control. This Revlon Face Roller instantly mattifies and absorbs oil, giving you a shine-free look. It is perfect for those with oily skin, helping you maintain a flawless appearance throughout the day. Worried about ruining your makeup? This roller removes excess oil without disturbing your carefully applied look. It is designed to keep you looking your best without any hassle. Whether you're at home or on the go, this roller is easy to use. You can use it on clean skin or to touch up your makeup. It's the perfect portable solution for oily skin. Unlike blotting papers, this roller is made from real volcanic stone and is reusable and washable. The volcanic stone is the secret to quickly banishing shine, making it a more sustainable choice. Need a refill? Simply swap the roller balls with the Revlon Facial Roller Refill Pack, sold separately. There's no need to repurchase the handle, making it a convenient and cost-effective option. What we like? This volcanic stone roller instantly mattifies skin, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It's reusable and washable, making it a sustainable choice. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to control shine without messing up your makeup, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? The Lash Curler is very easy to use. It curls my lashes perfectly. The design is great. Number 4. Seki Edge SS 600 Spot Eyelash Curler. This spot curler adds curl, lift, and definition to the outer corners of your lashes. It helps your eyes appear larger and more open. You'll love how it enhances your look. Many curlers miss those tricky corner lashes, but not this one. Its narrow design curls lashes in sections, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. It's designed to get every lash. With a sturdy plastic body and a comfortable grip, you're in control. It fits like a glove, allowing you to shape your lashes just the way you want. You'll achieve the perfect curl. Your eyes are a key feature, and this curler helps them shine. Give yourself bright and beautiful eyes with this tool. An extra silicone pad is also included. The silicone safety pad gently curls your lashes, preventing any pulling or yanking. It's a comfortable and convenient way to achieve bright, beautiful eyes. An extra pad is included for your convenience. What we like? This spot curler is designed to target those hard-to-reach outer corner lashes, giving your eyes a more open and defined look. It allows you to control the curl exactly how you want it. If you struggle with stubborn corner lashes and want a precise, controlled curl, this is the one for you. What people say? It is easy to use, and it does what it says on the tin. With the Edge Lash Curler, I can get every single lash into place before applying mascara. It has an ergonomic grip that allows me to use it with just 2 fingers at almost any angle, which is extremely useful. Number 3. Seki Edge SS 602 Folding Eyelash Curler. This is the first folding push-up lash curler designed for women on the go. It folds up for easy packing and opens to a full-size curler, ensuring beautiful lashes every time. This curler is specially designed to lift, curl, and define your lashes. It helps your eyes appear larger and more open, giving you a more vibrant look. The curler snaps fold to protect the curler. It expands to a full size when in use. The unique folding action will occupy less space in your purse or cosmetic bag. The silicone safety pad gently curls your lashes, preventing any yanking or pulling. An extra silicone pad is also included for your convenience. The ergonomic and lightweight design of this eyelash curler makes it easy to handle. You'll have complete control over your curls, achieving the perfect look effortlessly. What we like? This curler folds up for easy portability, making it a perfect travel companion. It expands to a full-size curler when in use, ensuring beautiful lashes every time. If you're always on the go and need a curler that's both effective and space-saving, this is the ideal choice. What people say? This quality item curls way better than the metal lash curlers. It folds up easily so you can throw it in your purse or take on trips. This lash curler gets every lash all the way to the corners and curls lashes with no problem. Number 2. Brilliant Beauty Eyelash Curler, Rose Gold. This curler is designed with precision hinges. It provides the perfect pressure to lift and curl your lashes without any pinching or pulling. You'll get a flawless curl every single time. The product comes with extra replaceable silicone pads. It also includes a luxurious satin storage bag to keep it protected. It's ready to go whenever you are. The comfortable grip and stainless steel frame give you full control. It allows for a smooth, salon-quality curl in just seconds. It's easy to use and provides great results. The soft, flexible pads cushion and protect your lashes. It delivers a dramatic lift and a curl that lasts. Your lashes will look amazing. It's lightweight and compact, and comes with a satin pouch. It's ideal for on-the-go touch-ups or as a thoughtful beauty gift. It's the perfect travel companion. What we like. This curler is designed to lift and curl lashes without any pinching or tugging, ensuring a comfortable experience. The ergonomic design provides full control for a smooth, salon-quality curl. If you like a curler that comes with extra pads and a luxurious satin bag, this is the one for you. What people say. The lash curler is very easy to use. It curls my lashes perfectly. The design is great. Number 1. Wet n Wild High on Lash Eyelash Curler. This eyelash curler is designed for your comfort. It features cushion-soft grips, making it easy to use repeatedly. Get beautifully curled lashes without any pain. This curler is specially designed to gently curl your lashes without pinching. Curl your lashes quickly and effortlessly. This reliable tool gives you perfect lashes in just one step. It's designed to fit any eye shape or size. This curler is truly one-size-fits-all, providing a perfect curl for everyone. Wet n Wild products are never tested on animals. You can feel good knowing this product is cruelty-free. What we like. This curler features a comfortable, rubberized grip, making it easy to use. It's designed to gently curl lashes without pinching, and it fits any eye shape. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and comfortable curler, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. It gives me the best curl my lashes have ever had. It fits comfortably in the hand, and the grip feels secure, so there's no slipping while curling. The shape fits my lashes perfectly, and with just a gentle squeeze, it gives them a natural, long-lasting curl without pulling or pinching. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.